I'm going to show you how we make our 6-quart berry picking box that's lightweight, easy to use, and can be made quickly and efficiently using some very cheap materials that you may already own around your farm. The next project I'm working on, now that I have the fungicide sprayed, so what I'm going to do is I'm actually making trays so that we can pick strawberries. So let me show you exactly how I'm doing these little tool chests or little tool boxes for a strawberry box. I'll show you how I'm going to make that. This is kind of old school, something my family has done many years ago. I'm certain there's better ideas out there today, but the principle's the same and we're still small time, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. I've already carved out different pieces here, so all we have to do now is cut out these pieces. Now that I have my end pieces cut out, I need my sides. Let me go ahead and measure those off. I'm going to use wood lath to accomplish that task. Well, to go ahead, and what I was saying about my strawberry flats or my strawberry toolbox is I'm going to use these free beer flats to help support my boxes when I'm out there picking strawberries. These are easy, they're free, and then I will set my quart containers inside of this. This is just to kind of add a little bit extra support. The width of these boxes, you got to find about what your average width is. These here are roughly around 11 or 10 3/4 inches. That's the reason why I went with 12 inches. This way, the box can easily fit inside of my device here that I'm making my box. And the length of this beer flat is 16 inches, so it's kind of an odd number, but we'll go ahead and cut this to about 17 inches. That'll give us an inch on either side. Actually, we'll go 18 inches. Let me back that up because I have to take into account the width that I'm nailing this to. So we'll go a full 18 inches on these, and I will cut those out. That way we'll have 18, 36, 1, and we'll keep going here. I'll get all these cut, and then we'll start nailing this together. We're gonna have ourselves some nice strawberry toolboxes to go pick our strawberries here in just a day or two. So now I have my wood laths cut. Let's go ahead and start piecing this thing together. It looks like to me I might be able to get 2 of them on a side. If I cannot, that's okay. Yeah, it's a little bit off. I think I'm just gonna put the one, which it should be fine on that. Let's just do that. I think it's easier. I'm just using, I don't have a brad nailer, but I am using brads. So let's go ahead here and put in a couple brads. Let me get another one up here. Making sure everything is on the correct side and level. There we go. Looks pretty good. Very good. I have my cradle started. Now I have to go ahead and start putting out wood lath along the sides and get all of this done. So let me go ahead. How many is it going to take here? It's going to take 1, 2, That looks pretty good. 3, I'm gonna take 6 along the bottom. Like I said, folks, I'm not really, actually I can do it in 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's good. This will hold our box. So let me go ahead and get this going. I think I can knock it out in no time. Let me get that done. There we go. I have that. One last thing I have to do. And let's get a measurement here of the inside of my berry box. 17 1/8. So we'll go ahead here. Cut my dowel rod. 17 1/8. I better scratch it. I don't think a black pen is going to do much. There we go. Let's cut my dowel rod. Well, let's see there. That fits perfectly in there. Let me go ahead here and measure this out so I can go ahead and pre-drill some holes to make sure that we have this centered as good as we can. But that is going to make my berry box just about perfect. So we'll go ahead and do that. Next, with my berry box, I'm going to go ahead and pre-drill about 3/4 inches down. And I'll repeat on the other side. This will make it a lot easier getting that screw in. Okay. And I'm going to do the same thing right here on the, I'm going to put this in the center of my dowel. And I'll pre-drill that a little bit. There we go, and do the same thing over here. This one I don't have to worry about no wood splitting. Let's connect them. There we go. There we are. Got one. Then we get it through the other side. And we'll pull it all together. There we are. There we have it, folks. We have ourselves our lightweight berry box. I'll show you how this is gonna function. I know there's a lot of nice pre-printed, or you can have custom printed berry boxes, strawberries, raspberries, for your own you-pick farm or your own market garden farm already out there. However, this is a very cheap system here that's affordable and easy to make. It's the main box. Of course, we have slats to keep it lightweight and easy to build. I go uptown to our friendly liquor store, and this is an Anheuser-Busch beer flat. And what it does is you slide one of those into there. Now you can pick it directly into there. You can put asparagus or whatever you want. The nice thing is that these are free. And then, if you make it properly, you'll be able to hold 6 quart containers. So when you're out there in the fields in the field picking strawberries or any other kind of berries, you already have everything pretty much preloaded for you. May have to fine tune it when you get to a weigh scale, but nonetheless, this is a very handy way to build or to pick berries, and it's something there that my family's been doing since the 1990s. So anyway, this is certainly not my idea, but I want to show you what we got here. Now, if you like these types of videos, do us a favor, hit that like button and subscribe. Come grow with us.